At 30, I realized something painful. Half my life was gone, and I had wasted most of it on things that did not matter. I was tired, lost, stuck in habits that were slowly destroying me. I knew if I did not change now, I never would. So I made a decision. I rebuilt my life from scratch. 5 habits changed everything. Today, I share them with you. If you are in your 20s, learn this early. If you are in your 30s or beyond, it is never too late. Start today. Habit number 1. I started waking up before the world. 5 in the morning. When everyone sleeps, winners are already working. The first hour of your day sets the tone for everything. If you start rushed and stressed, your whole day suffers. But when you wake up early, you own your time. No messages, no demands, just silence, peace, and focus. I use that hour for myself, reading, thinking, planning, exercising. That 1 hour became the foundation of my new life. Waking up early is not about sleeping less. It is about starting intentionally. Win the morning, and you win the entire day. Habit number 2. I learned to say no without guilt. In my 20s, I said yes to everything, every invitation, every request. I was exhausted, drained, living everyone's life except my own. My time was never mine. My energy was always stolen. At 30, I understood. Every yes to others is a no to yourself. Your time is limited. Protect it like your life depends on it. Now I say no often. No to toxic people. No to pointless meetings. No to anything that drains me without giving back. Saying no is not selfish. It is survival. The people who matter will understand. The ones who do not were never your people. Habit number 3. I made my health non-negotiable. In my 20s, I ignored my body. I ate garbage. I never exercised. I thought I was invincible. I was wrong. By 30, my body started sending warnings. Fatigue, pain, foggy mind, low energy. So I changed everything. I started moving every single day. Walking, running, stretching, just 30 minutes, no excuses. I fixed my sleep. 8 hours became sacred. I stopped eating poison and started eating fuel. My body transformed. When your body feels strong, your mind feels strong. Health is not a luxury. It is the foundation everything else stands on. Habit number 4. I started reading every single day. In my 20s, I watched endless entertainment. Netflix, social media, garbage. My brain was starving. I was consuming, not learning. I was entertained, but empty. I knew things had to change at 30. Now, I read for 30 minutes every morning. Books about psychology, money, wisdom, success. Real knowledge that compounds over time. In 1 year, I read 30 books. In 5 years, 150. Imagine who you become with that much wisdom inside you. Reading is the cheapest education and the highest investment. The person who reads daily at 30 becomes unstoppable by 40. Habit number 5. I cut every toxic person from my life. This was the hardest habit, but it changed everything the most. In my 20s, I kept people who drained me. Friends who only called when they needed something. Relationships built on guilt. At 30, I made a brutal decision. If someone does not add peace or growth to my life, they do not deserve my time. I let go of old friends. I walked away from toxic family patterns. I chose loneliness over bad company, and I found peace. You become the 5 people you spend the most time with. Choose carefully. Your circle determines your future. These 5 habits rebuilt my entire life. Wake up early. Say no without guilt. Prioritize health. Read daily. Cut toxic people. 30 is not old. 30 is the beginning. You still have decades ahead, but only if you stop wasting time on things that do not matter. Start today, not tomorrow, not Monday. Right now. Your future self is watching. Make decisions that will make them proud.